All right, so what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna attempt to take this drill bit and go through the frame on both sides. And then once I go through, I'm gonna then take a piece of DOM and like draw the circle and plasma cut it out and slide some DOM tubing through to bolt up the steering box on my GMC Sierra 1500. It comes from the factory with a rack and pinion, but when you do a solid axle swap, you either have to go full hydro assist steering or mount a steering box. And I want to be able to drive it all the time, and I've heard that hydro steering can be a little touchy, so I'd rather just go old-fashioned and mount the steering box. So that's what we're going to do today. Here you can see, some of the parts I've cut out, and I have to go back through it. There's the steering box I've mounted. You can see all the areas that have been cut and still need to get grinded.